think I've finally found my social media scheduling match. The software I'm going to stay with for a long time. It seems to be great. It does everything. Really easy to set up. Obviously, auto-schedules your posts to all the major networks. Also, you can reply to messages within the software. You can keep your passwords in the software. And there's so much more it can do with great analytics. I'll tell you what, let's just jump in and have a look at the start screen. And then in this tutorial series of videos, we're going to run through each feature and get you up and running using RADAAR. Make sure you go into the link in my description to get a great deal at a great price on your subs for RADAAR. Let's have a look. Here is RADAAR. I really love all the things it does. I love the layout. It's really easy to use. We're going to run through all of these features and make little individual videos on how to publish, how to add channels, etc. But really easy to schedule and publish, and you can choose which of your channels you want to schedule to do. By the way, it is so easy and it is a breeze to set up your channels. There are my channels so far that I've set up, but if I want to connect another one, I just find them on the list, and you can see that it does just about all of them, and some things you wouldn't expect it to do, like websites and Google search, but I've added my main ones onto there, and all the extra features. We will run through them. Passbook, a place where you can keep your passwords. Utilities, extra things you can do, like create landing pages, make quick replies. One of the things I love about it is all of your messages from social media, let's just see that, appear on the inbox here. They might be comments in a YouTube video, or they could be messages or comments from Instagram and other channels, and you can reply to them straight in this software within RADAAR. So I'm not going to explain too much more now. All I'm going to say is that get into that link in my description, try out the trial of RADAAR, and I wouldn't be surprised if you or your organization decide to give it a try. I know it's a big switch when you swap from one piece of software you're using to something else, but I actually think that using RADAAR over maybe a more expensive competitor that doesn't do as much might be a really wise move. So let's get you set up and watch the rest of the videos as we talk you through setting up and using RADAAR. I'll see you soon.